Today I have just arrived at Thrifty car rental place in Enfield. I'm to pick up a e-transit. We've actually got two to collect. I've got to collect this one from here, another electric van broken, and then we've got to go and get another e-transit from base, and they're both going to the same Ford dealership. So I'm just arriving and I can see the reg, the correct reg of the car, the van I've got to pick up is right there. So let's pop inside and see the guys. Right. Right, so the story is, there is a key, it does turn on, but they had somebody come and, it broke down, and then they had someone come out yesterday to get it going. They did get it going, but it only made it to the end of the road and then broke down again, just down there. So it's got to go to Ford's. It may well move, but they don't want me to, they want it lifted. It's quite big. It's a long wheelbase one, isn't it? But yeah, let's get set up and get that lifted. Right, let's put the legs down on this side as well, because the truck's leaning a little bit to one side. The road's not level. It'll be nice and stable then. Rear leg going down. Looks about right to me. What should we go for? I think we'll go on number 3. It's quite a long wheelbase. Could probably have got away with having it on that second hook, but I want the hooks here at the back to be higher than the roof of the van. Reason being, when you go around corners and stuff, sometimes they tap like that. I don't want to risk causing any damage to the side of the van. Right, let's see how she lifts. My guess on the levelness was bang on. She's on board. Yeah, it's quite a long wheelbase, isn't it? Straps are leaning inwards. Something called taped up under here. That's had paintwork and they haven't took the tape off. You see, it's all tape under here. So it turns out that he didn't know about that painting bit underneath it. It looks like it might have been done by the customer. So they must have damaged it and then done their own repair before they brought it back. Then there we go, it's on board, all strapped down, ready to head off and get the second one. So yeah, it's in pretty good condition. There is a small dent here where they've hit some tiny little one, and obviously there was some tape under there from someone done some sort of paint repair under there. Whether it was the customer or not, who knows. But she's not working, so she's going off to Ford's. Let's go and get the other one. Right, back in the truck, all loaded up. Let's head off to get the second one. The second one is 37 minutes away at base. So let's get going. Right, here we go. I have arrived at base. So let's go and find which row the other transit has been left in. Right, we have arrived. The other van, the other E-Transit is this one, a big Tesco van with very high top and side panelling. So we've just had a little look, and it is electric rear wheel drive, so it's not ideal to go on the spec lift behind and be towed behind me. So it needs to be on a full flatbed. So I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to run down there with just that one. So, and look at that, there's one of the motors right there. This is a rear wheel drive as well. I can see the drive shafts there, and that motor is right there. I wonder if they've got any more motors at the front. I wonder if it's four-wheel drive. No. Might have another motor, but they haven't got any extra drive shafts. So this is a rear wheel drive as well. But yeah, looks like I'm just taking this one. Right, see you down there at the unload. Right, I have arrived at Ford's. They're trying to find a space for me to put it in. I think they're going to try and move that Tornado just there out the way and want me to put it there. So hopefully they won't be too long. Come back out here and I can get it unloaded. Right, there we go. They've moved the Tornado that was there. So I'm just going to pop this one down in there and get out of here. How near am I? There we go. get it all unhooked. Right, there we go. All I need to do now is pop in there, give them a key, and it's job done. Right. So, I'll call that the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also for all your recovery needs, don't forget, you know who to call. Bud Recovery. I'll leave a link in the description. Cheers, bye.